Akmal. Today we are going to solve a problem from real number 6 is 1.3 fourth problem. See student, what he has given, express the following decimals in the form of p by q and write the prime factors of q. What do you observe? So student, here he has given some decimal numbers. He is asking to write the given decimals in the form of p by q. Then after we have to write the prime factors of q. So there are totally 4 bits in the fourth problem. So this is the first bit, 43.123. How to solve one by one. So before that, student, we must have clear idea about the decimal forms. See here, decimals are of two types. Decimals. So we have terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. So terminating decimals and we have non-terminating decimals. So in the non-terminating, again we have repeating and non-repeating. So non-terminating, repeating and non-terminating, non-repeating. So we have these types of decimals. So student, terminating decimals are rational numbers. These decimals can be converted into p by q form. In the non-terminating decimals, only repeating decimals are rational numbers. These can be converted into p by q form. But non-terminating, non-repeating decimals or irrational numbers, these cannot be converted into p by q form. So now, by observing the given decimals, which type of decimal it is, first we have to identify, then after we have to convert into p by q form. Only terminating and non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted into p by q form. Otherwise, other non-terminating, non-repeating cannot be converted into p by q form. Hence, they are irrational numbers. Only rational numbers can be converted into p by q form. That you have to remember, student. So, first we have to solve 43.123 has given first bit. This is the first bit in the fourth problem, 43.123. This is the given decimal. We have to convert into p by q form. Next we have to write the prime factors of q. So see student, how can we write first solution? The given decimal is equal to 43.123. So it is very clear, it is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. So it can be converted into p by q form. So terminating decimals are rational numbers. Therefore, 43.123 is equal to. So how can we write the p by q form? So first we have to write all the digits of the given decimal. So 43123 divided by. For this decimal, write 1. After the decimal, we have to observe how many digits are present here. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 zeros in the denominator after 1. So this is the p by q form. Let it is p by q. So from here we can get q is equal to 1000. How much it is? 1000. So this 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 to the power 3. So how many tens are there? 3 tens are. Therefore we can write a q is equal to 10 can be written as 2 into 5 whole to the power 3. So these are the prime factors. The prime factors. Therefore the prime factors of q. The prime factors of Q is equal to 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 are the prime factors of Q. So this is the first bit, student. So next we have to solve the second bit in the fourth problem, 0.120120 dash dash. Student, you have to notice that there is no dash dash in the textbook, but he has given it is an irrational number. So you must write dash dash, then only it is an irrational number. So see here, the given decimal is equal to 0.120120 dash dash. So see here, if there is dash dash or if there is bar, we can say it is non-terminating. So here it is non-terminating, but whether there are any repeating digits are there in the decimal, you have to observe. So 120 is there, here also 120 is there, but only 1 is there, there is no 20. So here it is not repeating. So here it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating decimal. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are irrational numbers. It is a irrational number. So it cannot be converted into P by Q form. So simply it is an irrational number. So only rational numbers can be converted into P by Q form. So but it is irrational number. That's all. So this is second bit, student. Next in the fourth problem, again we have to write the P by Q form of the given decimal. Then after we have to write the prime factors of Q. So the given decimal is equal to 43.12 bar. So if there is bar, we can say that it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating a repeating decimal. So it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. So non-terminating repeating decimals are also rational numbers. These can be converted into P by Q form. So therefore it is 43.12 bar is equal to. So just see, student, you have to remember how I am writing the P by Q form of the given decimal. So first we have to write all the digits in the decimal. So 4312 minus, we have to subtract the integer part of the decimal. So the digits which are present on the left side of the decimal, we have to subtract. The 43 is there on the left side of the decimal. So 4312 minus 43 divided by, now we have to observe the number of digits in the bar. There are 2 digits in the bar, hence we have to write 2 nines in the denominator. So 4312 minus 43, here we can get 4269 divided by 99. So by subtracting we can get 4269. It is divisible by 3. So 4 ones are 4, 12, 4 threes, 3 ones are 3, 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos and 3 threes divided by 3 threes and 3 threes. We can get 1423 divided by 33. So this is the P by Q form of the given decimal. So now we have to write Q is equal to what is there? 33. So 33 can be written as 3 into 11. 3 into 11. Therefore the prime factors of Q are, the prime factors of Q, the prime factors of Q is equal to 3 and 11. 3 and 11. So this is a third bit, student, and next we have to solve fourth bit in the fourth problem. 0.63 bar he has given. Again we have to write the decimal p by q form of the given decimal. Then after we have to write the prime factors of the given decimal number. So the given decimal is equal to 0.63 bar. So it is very clear, it is a non-terminating but repeating. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. So non-terminating repeating decimals are rational numbers, therefore it can be converted into p by q form. 0.63 bar is equal to, so how can we convert? First we have to write all the digits, 063. Next we have to subtract the integer part, that is left side digits of the decimal, only 0. Next we have to observe the number of digits in the bar. How many? 2. So we have to write 2 nines. So it can be written as 63 divided by 99. So cancel by directly, it is cancel by 9. 9 11s are 99, 9 7s are 63. We can get 7 by 11. So therefore let it is p by q. So it is p by q. Let it is p by q. So now the q is equal to what? Q equal to 11 here. Therefore the prime factors of q are, the prime factors of q equal to 11. So this is a fourth bit, student, and next he is asking what do you observe. So we have observed that so in the first bit 43.123 the prime factors of q are 2 and 5, and in the second bit it is irrational number, so we cannot convert into p by q form. So but in the third bit the prime factors of q are 3 and 11, but in the fourth bit the prime factors of q are only 11. So this is a terminating, it is a irrational number. This is non-terminating, it is also non-terminating. Therefore we have observed that the prime factors of terminating decimals are 2 and 5. Therefore we have observed that the prime factors of terminating decimals are 2 and 5. So this is a fourth bit, student. So we have completed all the 4 bits in the fourth problem. So next we have to learn one more problem. So that's all today's class, student. We'll meet in the next class with another.